Hello YouTube land and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. Today's project, yes, I made one of these, a little passive amplifier for a smartphone. Well, I'm going to make a better one. I've got some oak, I've got some mango, I've got a few bits here, a bit of cedar. Let's see what I make it out of. I've got an idea for a little design, just a nicer piece which actually looks nicer. This was literally scrap and it works. So that's what this video is going about. Please like and subscribe. It's important that if you're watching the videos and you like them, it means that YouTube recognise that you like this sort of thing. So if you want to see more of this, then it really helps me and it helps YouTube understand that you're enjoying this content. So please like and subscribe and enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to do is just mark up the size I want. I'm going to use some mango, I'm going to use some oak, and what else am I going to use? I might use some pine. It's going to be a collage of timbers and woods. So that'll be different, won't it? So just going to mark the size that I want. I'm going to cut the main body, which is the oak. So we can just cut that. And we'll cut a couple of them. Square, let's just check for square. Pretty good. just glued the dials, the wooden dials on the top. Yeah, I'm actually liking this. Nice little wooden radio. I love it. Wooden radio. So, a passive amplifier for a smartphone in the style of a vintage radio, an old wireless. It sounds a lot better than the other one that I made, which was a prototype in the other video that I did of these. I'm really fascinated by these, and they were an amazing little project. Quite a difference. I think that's gorgeous. Smartphone passive amplifier. I'm impressed with that. There you go. Pine, oak, cedar and mango on the back and the front. I like that. Sits in there, little grill on the front. It's a little wooden radio. I love it. I think these are amazing little projects. Get out there and have a go. Use your scrap wood, use what you've got. There are loads of designs. I'm fancy making one. There's a gramophone design that I really fancy that's out there. There's lots of different shapes. That might be a bit more complicated because you've got to create the gramophone speaker bit that comes out the top. But it's all good fun. So check them out. Go on YouTube, guys, and check out the videos. I'm sure you can have just as much fun as me making these things. And people are impressed. The people I've showed them to are like, wow. Even though they're out there, I hadn't come across these until a couple of months ago. I hadn't heard of them. Didn't know they existed. But it's genius, genius. So please like and subscribe. It's really important if you watch the video that you like it. It shows YouTube that you like that. It shows YouTube that people want to watch this, want to watch me, so and watch videos like this. So it's really important to like, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, share the videos by all means, and that certainly helps the channel and improves what we're doing here. What I'm doing, it's me. It's me. Occasionally other people pop in. There's some other videos floating around here of some more projects, so please check those out. If you're new, and and revisit them if you've seen them before. So from me at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care everybody. Bye.